Alaikum. This is Rahmatullah Khan. Today we discuss about the Python's variable, how variable work and what is the meaning of variable in the Python programming language and what is the assignment operator. Basically, a variable is used for assign a value in a variable. A variable can store a value. The value might be a string value, an integer value, any data type of value can be stored in a variable. What is the work of assignment operator? The assignment operator help to store or vary a value to a variable. For example, there is a definition, a variable. It is used for store or vary a value. Means that any value, any kind of value can be varied or stored by a variable. Assignment operator, it is used for assign a value in a variable. It's help to the variable assign any kind of value. There are some kind of examples. For example, the name. A name is a variable. This equal sign means a sign. Assignment operator defined by equal sign. There is any kind of value we can input just for the string name. Rahmat. In the Python programming language, we can call a value assigned by a variable or a variable assign a value. Whenever we call a variable, we get the value which we stored in the name variable, just like this. Print, and we call name. The output of this variable is the Rahmat. There are many examples. This example belongs to the string value. There is another example, age. Any kind of number, any kind of integer value can also stored in any kind of variable. We call it print age. And there are many decimal values, float values, boolean type values that mean stored by any kind of variable. Variable must be a string name. If whenever we write a variable 1 equal to 1 equal to name, any kind of name, just like Khan, there will be given by the array or the error from the programming language Python in the compiler form. 1 means a variable name suppose be or must be a string value, not any kind of integer or decimal value cannot be defined by variable name. If we write this kind of things, name 1, there is no space between name and 1. If we get space between name and 1, we get the error from our compiler or the interpreter of our programming language. Name Khan. So this is the variable. I hope you understand what is the variable and how we use variable in programming language. Once again, in the final term, variable is just a name which is used for store or assign or vary a value. The value form is the string, any kind of database, a string, integer, boolean, float, double. But the variable must be in the string name. Name 1, name 2, A1, A2, A3, without any kind of space between the A1. There's no space. We must be right with this kind of things. I hope you understand it. Thank you very much.